Good afternoon viewers, hope you are well. In this video you will watch University of Yangon walk around the campus. This is the main gate of the university. The university is located at Kamayuk Township in Yangon. This is the oldest university in Myanmar's modern education system and the best known university in Myanmar. The university offers mainly undergraduate and postgraduate degrees programs in liberal arts, sciences and law. The university was established in 1878 as an affiliated college of the University of Calcutta. The Rangoon College was operated and managed by the education syndicate set up by the British colonial administration. The college was renamed Government College in 1904 and University College in 1920. Rangoon University was founded in 1920 when University College and Judson College were merged by the University of Rangoon Act. The American Baptist Mission decided to recognize Judson College as a separate institution with Rangoon University. Rangoon University modeled itself after University of Cambridge and University of Oxford. Rangoon University became one of the most prestigious universities in Southeast Asia and one of the top universities in Asia, attracting students from across the region. The Japanese occupied the university during the Second World War, but it recovered and flourished after Burma gained independence in 1948. This golden period ended in 1962. This is the university's Dharma Hall. The university is located along the southwestern bank of Inner Lake, the largest lake in the city. It is on the corner of Pier Road and University Avenue Road in Kamayuk Township, north of downtown Yangon. The modern campus of the university completed construction in 1920. The campus is surrounded by green trees. The university has been at the center of civil discontent throughout its history. All three nationwide strikes against the British began at Rangoon University. Anti-colonial movements leaders such as General Aung San, U Nu, Ni Un, and U Thant are some of the notable alumni of the university. The tradition of student protest at the university continued in the post-colonial era in 1962, 1974, 1988 and in 1996. This is the Judson Church at the campus. Judson Church inside the main campus of the university is a Baptist church and like Judson College named after Adoniram Judson, a 19th century American missionary who compiled the first Burmese English dictionary. This is the English department of the university. Initially, most major universities in the country depended on University of Yangon. Until 1958, when Mandalay University became an independent university, all institutions of higher education in Myanmar were under University of Yangon. After the University Education Act of 1964, all professional colleges and institutes of the university, such as the Institute of Medicine 1, Rangoon Institute of Technology, and Yangon Institute of Economics, became independent universities, leaving the University of Yangon with liberal arts, sciences, and law. University of Yangon offers undergraduate and postgraduate degree programs. The undergraduate programs are subdivided into three categories: arts, sciences, and law. The choice of different fields of learning takes place in upper secondary school, where students choose particular subjects directed towards their tertiary education. Postgraduate degrees are separated into three groups: doctorates, masters, and diplomas. After the military coup of 1962 under General Ne Win and under the Burmese way to socialism, Rangoon University was put directly under the control of the Directorate of Higher Education, a central government agency, whereas previously it was run by a council of professors, scholars, and government officials. In addition, the medium of instruction was changed to Burmese, a radical departure from English, which had been the university's medium of instruction since its founding. The 1964 University Education Act separated several professional departments from the university, establishing them as separate universities: the University of Medicine, the University of Economics, the University of Technology, and the University of Education. At that point, the university was renamed the Rangoon Arts and Science University, concerned only with liberal arts, sciences, and law. In 1989, the university was renamed the University of Yangon. for its former glory, for its involvement in the country's politics and development, and for the sacrifices made by so many of its students, the University of Yangon holds a special place in individuals and in the national consciousness.
Dressing room.